Okay, so we've reached Rishikesh because obviously we go back to Delhi today, but before that we just thought that maybe we would spend couple of hours at Rishikesh since we were so close and we had really not much to do at Haridwar. So yeah, but of course the vibe looks very different from that of Haridwar, and you can clearly make out that this is a touristy place unlike Haridwar. We took a share auto which charged us about 60 bucks from Haridwar to Rishikesh, and right now we are at Ram Jhula, so I'll probably show you. That's another 10 bucks from the main Rishikesh auto stand. So that's where it stands right now. Oh, that's why. अदरक वाली चाय सुबह की बादाम we found you look like a ghost. We found a place to dump our luggage. So basically we were carrying our luggage, right, and we wanted to keep it somewhere before we could like walk up. We found a jugaad basically, so it's like there's this gentleman who has his own tea stall, and we wanted to keep our stuff, so we've kept it at his house, and he's charging us 20 bucks for each luggage for the entire day. So jugaad works. Mila, finally.
People are donating now.
People are donating for humans.
No,
they're donating
for the
animals.
cactus as well.
I just read one of the articles where one lady, she had like 25 rescued dogs with her, street dogs and abandoned dogs, and she just refused when the people came to rescue her. She just refused to go, saying that unless you take my 25 dogs with me, I will not leave. And then some animal rescue center came along, rescued all her dogs, and then she went. And this is, I wanted to see him. Like what? All for you. But look at the water levels, no?
They are going down, and in the middle there is Aarti Point.
Middle Aarti Point? That's totally gone under the water. Oh my god. I remember last time when there was a flood here, this Shivji ka only the head part could be seen and the entire thing was underwater. The water level is rising only, no? It's insane. Look at that, how that particular थोड़ा सा चढ़ाई बेबी,
ये थोड़ा चढ़ाई है।
हाँ बस
मेरे से थोड़ा सा चढ़ाई।
So you won't ever go for trekking.
That is what. Okay, so we are planning to go to Little Buddha Cafe from Ram Jhula to Lakshman Jhula, which is a solid 2 kilometers walk. So me and Prashant, we came walking, oh my god, but Madhu madam wasn't feeling great, so we told one Uncle Ji on his bike, can you take this little girl with you? So she's been dropped at some place and we are waiting for her here. I think she's got to come back and we're going to go and get something to eat, act a little with the cafes. So we were looking for a Ganges view kind of a seat, which is not available, but we got a decent place to sit. I guess I'll show you who I have with me, if you can hear me at all. Look at that. Hello. Hi. That's the Lakshman Jhula at the back. Okay, we finally got Ganges, the river view side. So that's the Lakshman Jhula that you can see at the back.